record world. I adore you guys so much.
You're making friends and you're meeting people, and that's what we're about. We're about building community.
Come on, that's funny. Hey, it's a family channel. She's a peach.
Really?
I don't know. This is a good idea. I don't know.
I'm trying to protect you. Gets this off.
Rhino lighting. No, they're like crabs. Like they're crabs crawling in the trees.
Today was rainbows with poop in it.
Sunday.
You never said you were ugly.
All right, give me fist bumps, Pops. We're gonna do this. We legit have an issue right now. Like legit.
Oh yeah, you're good. You're like Winnie the Pooh.
Very humbling experience.
Talked about what's important to us, like that building of community. And we want to keep that going because that's what's important to us.